Bonjour à tous and welcome to Learn French with Vincent. This is Unité 9, leçon G. And the series of adjectives is continuing because we've been seeing a bit more than 100 adjectives in a previous lesson. And we'll see approximately 100 adjectives in the following lesson. So the idea is to give you as many adjectives as possible at this time of your learning process because I think it's important now. Okay, so we'll start right now. Accidentel. Vivant. Final T not pronounced. Vivant. Ancien. Remember, A-N, ancien. Ancien. En colère. E accent grave like that. Here you pronounce it E. Colère. En colère. Large. Don't insist on the final E. Large. Pieds nus. So final S here and then final S here is not pronounced. And then when you get this combination here, it's ye. Pieds. Okay, so you don't hear the D. Pieds nus. Bas. Final S not pronounced. Génial. Décontracté. Okay, so you've got E accent aigu here and here, so it's E. Décontracté. Okay, décontracté. En céramique. Okay, so remember this Q-U-E here will give you the sound K. Okay, céramique, because you don't insist on the final E. Céramique. All right. En céramique. Classique. Okay, so exactly the same thing. You don't insist on the final E, so you get K as the last sound. Classique. Côtier. Okay, so here you get this O, accent circonflexe. You tend to insist a little bit more on it, so it's a bit lower. Okay. Côtier. Okay. I-E-R here. Ye. Côtier. Froid. Final D not pronounced. Froid. Commun. Okay. U-N-1. Commun. Confiant. Final T not pronounced. So I-A-N, yan, fiant, confiant. Cruel. Okay, remember, cruel. Dangereux. Final X not pronounced. And then don't really pronounce this E here. Okay, so you get dangereux. Mort. Final T not pronounced. O-R, or. Mort. Décoré. Okay, so E accent aigu, E accent aigu, E, décoré. Décoré. Profond. Final D not pronounced. O-N, on. Profond. Individuel. Spectaculaire. Okay, so don't insist on the final E. So l'air. Spectaculaire. Spectaculaire. Tôt. Okay, final T not pronounced, and then this O accent circonflexe is a bit stronger than normally, so tôt. Âgé. Okay, accent aigu here, et âgé. Électronique. Okay, so as we saw previously, Q-U-E at the end, K. Okay, électronique. Méchant. Final T not pronounced. C-H together, sh. Méchant. Excellent. Remember, double L and E before, it will open the E. So, excellent. excellent. Passionnant. Final T not pronounced. Passionnant. Cher. À la mode. Final E not pronounced. À la mode. Rapide. Final E not pronounced, so rapide. Rapide. En forme. Final E not pronounced. En forme. Évasé. Remember, one S between two vowels. Z. Évasé. Courant. Final T not pronounced. A-N. En. Courant. Folk. Fragile. Okay, final E not pronounced. And then when you get this G and I, J. Gilles. Fragile. Amical. Effrayant. Okay, so final T not pronounced, and then you get effrayant. Okay, effrayant. Gelé. Amusant. Final T not pronounced. Content. Final T not pronounced, so N, en as well. Content. Content. Amical. Dur. Utile. Final E not pronounced, so utile. Horrible. Okay, remember we don't pronounce H here. Horrible. Immense. Final E not pronounced. Immense. Important. So final T not pronounced. And then remember, you've got this EM, and after that it's a consonant, so it is here nasal. Important. Important. Indépendant. Final T not pronounced. Indépendant. Indépendant. Informel. Intelligent. Final T not pronounced, so G-E-N, Jean, okay? Intelligent. Double L, it opens the pronunciation of your E, so it's E. Intelligent. Intéressant. Double S, same thing here. S, strong, and it opens the pronunciation of your E. Intéressant. Final T not pronounced. Humain, remember, H is not pronounced, A-I-N, un, humain. En direct. Logique, remember, Q-U-E at the end, K, logique. Bas, final S not pronounced. À taille basse, okay, so basse, final E not pronounced, but then you pronounce the double S, so S, basse. And then here you've got the double L after your I, remember, taille, à taille basse. Chanceux, final X not pronounced, this C-E-U, ce, chanceux, chanceux. De luxe. Mathématique, remember, H doesn't exist, so mathématique, remember, Q-U-E at the end, K, mathématique. Médical. Mémorable, don't insist on the final E, mémorable. Négligé, okay, accent aigu here and here, et, négligé, négligé. D'âge mûr. Minimum. Nerveux, final X not pronounced, E-U, E, V, nerveux. Bruyant, final T not pronounced, so you get bruyant, okay? Bruyant, bruyant. Hors ligne, final here not pronounced, so ligne, and then here S is not pronounced, the final one, so hors, and remember H doesn't exist, so hors ligne. En ligne, okay, so here en ligne. En plein air, all right, so you've got this air here, and then we tend to make the liaison plein air, plein air. En plein air. Douloureux, remember final X not pronounced, so you get this OU together, ou, douloureux, douloureux. Populaire, final E not pronounced, so populaire, populaire. Psychologique. Okay, remember it's an exception here because you've got this C-H-O. Normally we should pronounce it CHO, okay, but in that case we pronounce it CO. Psychologique. Remember, final Q-U-E like that. K. Psychologique. Silencieux, final X not pronounced. Radioactif. Enregistré, okay, so here final with the accent, so E, okay, T-R, E accent grave, c'est accent aigu, it's très, all right, so enregistré, okay, but then you don't really insist on this enregistré, enregistré. Détendu, okay, so E-N-N, détendu, détendu. Renouvelable. Look, renouvelable. Remember, bl at the end. But then this here is not really pronounced. So, renouvelable, renouvelable. Okay, it's a bit tricky, I know, but try your best. Renouvelable. Romantique. Remember, Q-U-E at the end. K. Romantique. Royal. Okay, so same thing with this Y. Royal. 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 Sûr. Effrayé. Mitoyen. Okay, same thing with the Y that went here with effrayé and royal, sorry. So, mitoyen. Mitoyen. Peu profond. Final D not pronounced. Peu profond. Mince. Okay, mince. Irrité. Droit. So final T not pronounced. Stressé. Okay, remember you've got double S here, so you pronounce it really strong. Well, it's between two vowels. So C, all right. And then here you get this E before the double S, so it will open the pronunciation of the E. Stressé, stressé. Stressant. Okay, final T not pronounced, and then A-N-N, stressant. Fort, final T not pronounced. Réussi. Okay, réussi, réussi. Bronzé, so O-N, on, and then Z, it's really pronounced like Z. Bronzé, bronzé. Superstitieux. Okay, so final X not pronounced. Superstitieux. Okay, remember when we get this T after E and then E here. S. Superstitieux. Superstitieux. En mitoyenneté. Okay, so mitoyenneté. En mitoyenneté. Terrifiant. Final T not pronounced. Double R here, so it will open the pronunciation of your E, and then it will be E. Terrifiant. Résistant. Final T not pronounced. Résistant. Tropical. Sous-marin. Okay, so EN here. Un, rein, marin. All right, and remember, sous, okay, final S not pronounced, so S-O-U, sous, sous-marin. Utile, final not pronounced, utile. Verbal. Visuel, remember it's E here and L, uel, visuel. And that's it for this list of 100 adjectives. I hope it was useful. If you want more videos, then youtube.com/imagier and it's waiting for you. And the website is here, www.imagier.net. Have a great day. Bye-bye.